Secrets of Exam Success Part 4. Test your focus experiment 2, called the Image-Making Brain. Okay, close your eyes for this second focus exercise. All right, notice what happens when I say the following: car, cat, house, walking. Okay, you can open your eyes. You will have noticed that when you hear the word or see it on the screen, a picture or image will have appeared in your mind. This experiment shows that human beings think in pictures. It's one of the laws of thinking. Our mental picturing ability is reflected in the 30% of higher brain matter that is dedicated to visual processing and our dependency on the sense of sight. Compare that to about 8% for touch and 3% for hearing. The visual area is found at the back of the brain. Have you ever taken a knock in the back of your head and seen stars? Well, this is due to the brain cells in the visual area crashing together, producing flashes of light in our perceptual field. You can use this knowledge of the brain's visual dominance to your advantage when studying or trying to remember something using the following exam success strategy. Create a picture or an image of the thing you want to remember clearly in your mind, or draw it on a piece of paper in a way that you understand and can see in your own mind's eye. For those who are better at learning through hearing or touch, you can use the same idea, just recreate the experience of sound or touch in your mind. When you do this and rehearse it, it becomes easier to retrieve when you need it, which gives you confidence. It's even easier when you're calm, which is why it's so important to have a technique that combats stress. Okay, let's modify this experiment slightly. Close your eyes again, and let's review first and modify second. Watch what happens in your brain. Car, cat, house, walking. Now, small car, cat sleeping, brick house, walking stick. The results? We add a word and the image changes. So the first observation we can make is how language is closely linked to the images and our thinking processes, and the second, how our mental pictures can be replaced quite easily through the introduction of a new image or idea. So we can then conclude the brain mind is easily distracted. We have a natural tendency towards having our attention shift from one thing to another. This is sometimes referred to as monkey mind, a term from the East that points to the unsettled nature of the brain, or the butterfly mind, which is used in the West, indicating the nature of the shifting attention of the brain. We can see this when we're having difficulty concentrating or keeping our attention focused on a task, particularly when we'd rather be doing something else more fun than, say, schoolwork that needs to be done. This is a source of procrastination, but more on that later. In the next module, I'll take you through a test that will show you just how focused your mind actually is and how you can start to bring that monkey mind under greater control that will deliver your greater levels of success. See you there.